Welcome to another video. This is an important milestone. As we can see, the current subscriber number has reached 1000. So within this video I would like to show my appreciation to those that decide to subscribe. So I'm gonna have them sorted over here. So for October we're gonna see the list of people that decided to subscribe. Keep note that this is only the list for people who made their subscription public. So this is the first row. If I'm gonna go on the second one, you're gonna see that all the way here. Afterwards you're gonna have the subscribers from September. So thank you a lot for supporting this content. I also wanna show over here within the analytics that the most popular video within this period is the one regarding Common Sense Machine AI platform that is capable of transforming an image or a video into a 3D model. As you can see, that video was created quite recently, so in 2013 in August. But my other popular video is from 2019 regarding CATIA, so how to reset CATIA V5 back to defaults. As you can see, this video was posted almost 5 years ago. And afterwards, the most popular videos are regarding either CATIA, some are for Blender, or for Common Sense Machine. Okay, so thank you a lot for supporting this channel. I hope that I can also increase the watch hour. As we can see, before I can enable ads on my channel, I will still need more public watch hours within the last year over here. As we can see, that is the next milestone. So even though there are ads on my channel, they don't support me yet. They are only monetized by Google. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.